Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a mystery box unboxing video. Now it's been over a year since I've done a mystery box on my channel, and I posted on my Instagram stories a few days ago asking you guys if you wanted to see a mystery box unboxing video, and 89% of you guys said yes. So I went all out. I bought the most expensive box I could find on the KithSCW site, and this box here is 9,995 Australian dollars, which works out to be about 7,100 US dollars, so it's a lot of money. Not gonna lie, my bank account is really sad right now because here is my Air Geo funds, and I'm not even gonna be mad if I open up this box and it's just like a pair of Air Geo lows or something, because the highs are definitely more than $10,000. But I've lifted up the box. It's definitely heavier than one pair of sneakers in here, so yeah, I'm really excited. The box is actually much smaller than the one I unboxed last time, and the one before I bought was $4,000. But I'm hoping there's some good stuff in here because 10,000 Australian dollars, I can think of so many things that could be in here that would be worth that amount, so I'm really excited. They do have different kinds of mystery boxes on the KithSCW site, and I was going to do a Kaws only box, but then I just thought an all-in-one would be a lot more fun, and that's why I went for this one. So yeah, let me stop rambling. Let's just go ahead and start opening this up. You guys have seen this before. I'm pretty sure like Harrison Neville has done a few mystery boxes from KithSCW, and it always comes like wrapped in this. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. It does come wrapped in this packaging with all the branding on there, so you can see there's like Babe and Fear of God, Supreme. So let's just open this up. I'm kind of excited and nervous at the same time because I just don't know what to expect. But okay, we've got the box open and this is what I'm seeing. There you go, give you guys a little sneak peek. And the first thing I see is a bag from Kith. So, oh, I'm sorry, I just dropped it. I'm so clumsy. So in here is a hoodie. So this is the Kith Biggie hoodie. I'm pretty sure this dropped earlier this year. I don't actually own any clothing from Kith. I don't know. I do like some of their stuff. I like the Sailor Moon collection. I'm pretty sure they did one and I didn't cop that. I really like that one. But this is kind of cute. So the size that I got is in the size medium. When you buy a mystery box, make sure you remember to leave your clothing size as well as your shoe size, because they will try and put sizes that are like the size that you listed, if that makes any sense, because you don't want to get something that's like too big or too small for you. So in terms of clothing, I put a size medium because I feel like a lot of my clothing are size medium, so I like it to be a little bit oversized. The value is 295 Australian dollars. I think, yeah, this is kind of cute. I'm not mad at it, but probably something I wouldn't pick up, but I would definitely be wearing this. And the next thing is, hold on. Wait, no, wait. So, this is a denim jacket. Wait, I think this is what I think it is. Oh my goodness, guys. Ah, it is! Okay, wait, let me just get this box out of the way so I can show you guys this item a little bit better. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is in the box. Okay, let me just tell you guys what it is. So this is the Nigo Louis Vuitton collection, and this is the denim jacket. I feel like I'm stuttering because I'm so excited. But this is the denim jacket from that collection. You guys can see there's this really cool like patchwork detail. You get the monogram, and yeah, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to try this on. I'm actually so excited right now because I did not expect, like I saw something denim and then I saw like the buttons were Louis Vuitton, but I did not expect to get this in a mystery box. So it is like an all-in-one like Hypebeast mystery box. So I guess this is, I can't even like undo the buttons because I'm that excited. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, because it is a Hypebeast box, so I guess the Nigo LV collection is pretty hyped. I actually pre-ordered like a small item from that collection. I haven't received it just yet, but it is like this crossbody like iPhone holder case thing with a little turtle on it. It's so cute, I think. But yeah, I still haven't seen it in person, but now I have this jacket to go with it. This jacket is so pretty. Okay, In terms of sizing, I got a size 48, so I don't really know what size that is. I think with menswear, I'm generally a 46 or 48. Let me do a quick try on now. I feel like this is definitely my size. The sleeves are a little bit long because it is like menswear, but usually I just fold up my sleeves and it looks fine. I feel like I might do some B-roll to show you guys some details of some of the items that I get if it's like exciting. Like this, for example, I feel like it deserves some B-roll because the details on this jacket is just so beautiful. I don't even want to know how much this jacket costs, so I feel like this would probably make up for a lot of the value of the box because I don't know what the price is on this, but I'm pretty sure in terms of Louis Vuitton denim jacket, they range from like 3,000 to 4,000 Australian dollars. So I don't know whether the Nego ones are more expensive. This is what the denim jacket looks like. What do you guys think? I think it is so nice. Okay, why am I so out of breath? I think I'm so excited. Okay, anyway. Do I look a little bit silly because the tag is still attached? I see something Kaws because I buy a lot of Kaws. I recognize this immediately and it is a BFF. Oh my goodness, so cute. So this is, wait, have they seen my Kaws collection video? Because I mentioned that I have the pink and the blue BFF and I'm only missing the black one, and I was going to pick it up at the NGV, but obviously it's closed because of the lockdown, so I haven't had the chance to go there. But now I have the black one. I'm so happy. Wait, let me show you guys my other two. So here we have my pink and blue BFF, and I'm so glad to add the black BFF to my collection, and now they're complete because that's the 3 colorways that they come in. I think this is super cute. So yeah, can't complain with another Kaws vinyl in my collection. Where should I put this, guys? Guys, I see something that I'm really excited about. It is the Travis Scott ones. I don't have a pair of those. Anyway, let's just get through some other stuff first. So here I have just some Bearbrick. So these are just like 100% Bearbricks. They're really small, so I don't think these are worth very much at all. So there's one, two, three, there's 5 of them in here, so I guess I'll just open them another time. Okay, let's just go for this, okay? Because I feel like I'm super distracted. You guys can see this is the Jordan 1 Travis Scott, and some stickers just fell out the box. And yeah, I don't actually have a pair of these. I cannot believe I never bought one. When these were dropping, I entered a few raffles, but I don't think I tried really hard to get them. And then right after the drop, I feel like I should have bought a pair because right now the resale on these are crazy, and I guess that's why I never sort of bought them, because I'm always trying to buy like a newer release with all the dunks and stuff. But I'm actually really glad that a pair of these are in the box. Look at them, they're super pretty. I'm sure you guys already know what they look like at this stage. It does come with all the laces. You guys already know I will go with the pink laces. I just think that these are, again, a super hype pair of sneakers. They have priced this at 2,445 Australian dollars. I cannot complain with a pair of Travis Scott ones because yeah, these are super timeless. I don't know what to go for next because I just see a Nike box. There's actually not that many things in this box, which I'm a little bit like surprised, but at the same time I feel like this would have made up so much of the box as well as the Travis Scott ones. Like, I'm actually shocked at how nice the items are in this box so far, but I mean, it is a 10K box, so you know. So anyway, the next thing we have here is a Nike box, and in here is something that fell out. Okay, so these are the Syracuse Dunks. I actually already have a pair of these and I wear them all the time. This was part of the Be True to Your School pack. Out of all the dunks that dropped this year, the Syracuse is actually my favorite, and I wear the Kentucky a lot as well, but yeah, I think the Syracuse is definitely a must-have in terms of that pack. I really like these. Again, I already have a pair, so I probably will get rid of this because I don't need 2 pairs. I just feel like you can't go wrong with a pair of Syracuse Dunks. So yeah, I think these are nice. Like, I would be a little bit more excited if I didn't already have a pair, but I think these are a nice pair to have. So what do we have next? I see another sneaker box. Hold on. Okay. I feel like this box is in my way. Like, I don't know where... So it just fell on the floor. I'll pick it up later. So the next thing I have here is a Revenge Storm sneaker. I don't actually own anything from Revenge Storm. Like, I've never really, I guess, cared for them at all. I don't think they're a bad looking pair of sneakers. So the one I got here is in pink. The color is pretty cute. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Obviously it has a very Vans inspired kind of silhouette. I guess it's pretty wearable. I don't not like them, but I also don't think it's something that I would wear. So yeah, don't think I'll be keeping this, but I think they're pretty cute. Yeah, I wonder what the value is on this. So this one is priced at 295 Australian dollars. Yeah, it's okay. I don't mind these. And let me just rescue my box off the floor because I dropped it. Ugh. Okay. Something fell out the box. Hold on, guys. This is so not professional. What am I doing? So the one thing that fell out of the box is this Nike SB box, and inside, I wonder what it is. I already have these. This is the second thing in the box I already have. So this is a pair of these Strange Love dunks. You guys know how much I love these dunks. I've shown them before on my channel, and I've mentioned like the Strange Love dunks, probably one of my favorite releases of 2020. So we have a pair here. Let me show you my pair. This is my Strange Love dunks that I've worn quite a few times. It doesn't look too dirty because I cleaned it, and now I have another pair of Strange Love dunks. Like honestly, I can't complain. Like I love these so much. I think the colorway is super cute. I think the resale has definitely gone up on these, so I'm so glad I picked this up when they first dropped, but I still paid over 1,000 Australian dollars for them, but I feel like they're definitely worth it. Super cute. And yeah, I mean, they're cute, but I already have a pair, so I don't know how to feel, but I mean, they're a good pair, so I can't complain. We're actually almost done with this box. There's only 2 items left. There hasn't been too many items in this box, but I feel like almost everything that I've taken out so far has been really good. And this one here, you guys can see, is Clot and Nike. So is this like a sneaker box? Like it says Bearbrick. Oh, I think I know what this is. So this is, I've never seen one in person. This is the Clot Nike Bearbrick. I actually have the sneakers. Hold on, I'll show you guys my sneakers. One moment. Guys, I've made such a huge mess. I just have stuff everywhere on the floor right now. But I wanted to show you guys my Clot Air Force Ones in the blue silks because they go with the Bearbrick over here. So those are my sneakers, and that is the Bearbrick. Hopefully I'll do like better b-roll to show you guys because this is not very clear. I'll insert them as I talk. This is super cool. So I've never seen one in person, like I said. It comes with like a 400% and then also like this 100% guy. Super cute. And then, I don't know, like is this actually removable or not? I feel like it's like a cover that's sewn onto the Bearbrick in the same material as the Clot Air Forces. This would make a really cool display, I think. I sort of thought that the Bearbrick would be a little bit bigger. Like, do they make this in like bigger sizes? So this is the 400% one. But yeah, what else is in the box? Okay, there's just like a price tag here, and they valued this at 895 Australian dollars. So, okay. So the very last thing in this box I can see is something CPFM, and I also think I know what this is because I saw it on the CPFM site and didn't buy it. Let me just put this box away because again, it is blocking me. So yeah, this is the CPFM t-shirt. I think this is so cute. So I saw this on the website probably a month ago, but I ended up buying the long sleeve in the orange, and I also bought the Ye Must Be Born Again hoodie that they restocked. So I skipped on this. I almost bought this, but I didn't. I really love CPFM as a brand, and with sizing, this one, I got in a size medium. It does look a little bit oversized, but I think it should fit me just fine. I'll try it on later. So on the front here, it just says, I like you, you're different. And yeah, with the CPFM print, I think it's really nice. They have this like raised sort of print, and the colorway is nice. It's like this brown olive kind of color, so I can't wait to wear this. And it'll go really well with this Travis Scott ones, I think. Like, look at the color. This is definitely a vibe. And even the Strange Loves, like, look at this. Wait, this is my pair. This is my worn pair, and this is, where's the new pair? Okay, the new pair is here. I'm so confused. Whatever, guys. I have no idea why I'm so out of breath from filming this video. I think I was just really excited, and I have to say that a lot of the things in this box was super nice. Like, obviously you guys can tell how much I love the jacket as well as the Travis Scott ones. The other items were cool too, but like I said, I already have a pair of Strangelove, I already have a pair of Syracuse, and yeah, I mean, I think overall the box was pretty cool. There weren't too many items, but I feel like I would rather have less items that are higher in value rather than a bunch of lower valued stuff that I don't want. Wait, does that even make sense? Yeah, I think overall though, I'm super happy with all the pieces that I got in this mystery box. Like, I feel like definitely, I think this box is worth $10,000. Obviously, some items I wouldn't go for, like the Revenge Storm, I don't really care for them. But I can't really complain, like I'm super happy, and like in terms of sizing, like everything fits, everything looks good, and yeah, this was super fun, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. What was your favorite item that was in this mystery box? I'm not gonna keep a few of the items because I don't need like repeats of some sneakers. So yeah, hopefully I can recover some money to go back to my Air Dior funds. I'm also thinking about doing a live stream on my channel this week, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye! The last time I did the box, there was some really good deals. There was some really good stuff in the 4,000 baller. Wait, what? I wanted to say dollar and I said baller. Actually, it's been over a year and over a year? Yeah, it's been over a year since I've done a mystery box unboxing on my channel. Here is asking you guys if you wanted to see a mystery box video from me. Well, not a mystery box video. Wait, yes, a mystery box unboxing video from me, and 89% of you guys says yes, yeah. I can't talk today. This is what the box looks like. Ow. My nail. Ow. I love CPFM, no.